Guys, welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to break down a short trade on GBP USD that a couple of guys in the community caught. This was pre-NFP, and then obviously with the NFP news release, they managed to hit their take profit rather swiftly and get some nice profits out of the market. So basically, if we look at this sort of price here on GBP USD, we can see we are quite clearly trending down. And we have this last low, high, low, which gives us our structural range here, which we can draw on. And the key thing when trading high impact news release events is you want to make sure that you're trading from either a premium if you're looking to sell or a discount if you're looking to buy. This is very, very important. If it's a news release and you're trading sort of around the equilibrium, price can, whipsaw about before going in the intended direction. So you really want to make sure that in relation to the current structural range, if you are going to trade a high impact news release, you want to be looking where you are priced within that leg. So as you can see, we are priced very well. We are trading sort of within an order block that is located within the top third of the range, and you can see it also takes buy side liquidity here. There's a minor run on buy side liquidity there, so it's a high probability area to look for a trade. So we'll just mark off this area here. This is the area that we're trading in, so we will just use that, and we can then drop down to our 15-minute time frame. And we obviously want to denote our kill zone because we only want to be trading within that time window, something around there, which is going to be our New York kill zone. And as you can see, London, we had a rally up, enticing traders to obviously, be buying the market, thinking that it's going to go to the moon because we are trading at a discount, in relation to the weekly range. However, we need to wait for that 4-hour or daily to go before obviously we look for that shift in trend. So currently the story is still sell side and more probabilistically weighed to the sell side. So we've marked our kill zone, and if we just push price on, we can see what happens as we come into New York kill zone, which is not yet. So we are now in New York kill zone. As you can see, we've put in a high. We've taken out a minor structural low here. So we can drop down to the 5M and see what we've got going on here. And you can see we've taken these, and we do have another set of relative equal lows down here. So we want to be looking now for potentially our entry. And obviously we need a point of liquidity within the range. So we have this, and we also have this. These are relative equal highs. Sorry, as you see, there's no wicks on these candles. So I would ideally want to see price come above here. Plus this range here already mitigated this. So the only really thing that we have left is this doji candle up here. And price pulls in, and there's a couple of different ways that you could scale into this trade if you wanted to. So you can see that we pull in, and initially you can either wait for a reaction first, or you can put a sell stop here and just cover the high, giving you about an 8-pip stop loss. So obviously then when price does take out this bullish candle, we get that change in state of delivery from buy side candles to then sell side candles, giving us that change in state of delivery. So you see we have consecutive buy. As soon as we get a break and close below this candle, we have a change in the state of the delivery that the market is printing. So as you can see, we get tagged in there nicely, a nice strong body close, and we continue to push down. Now, if you didn't take this entry, you could also look to take the confirmation entry as such. Just select this POI here, as obviously it is a bullish candle that's engulfed with a selling candle. Very, very nice, really nice looking POI. And we come in, we hit that. You can either have a limit here, or you can wait for the rejection and just cover somewhere around there with a 7-pip stop loss. And your take profit would be around about 5R, or you can target relative equal lows, or if you wanted to swing it, you could, but I'm personally in and out with around about 5R, and you can see the news release hits, and you hit your take profit within seconds. So I hope that everything makes sense. A couple of the guys caught that in the Discord. Hop in, it's absolutely free. I share all the trades that I'm taking with you guys. I share all my analysis with you guys. I share my key levels, what I'm looking at, and why I'm looking there. So come jump in, the link's in the description. And like I said, it's absolutely free. And I'll see you in the next video.